Marlo. Mr. Marlow, it's time for the hairdresser, Marlow. Baby, baby. Are you jealous, Tiger? Yes, I'll do you later, Tiger. It's Marlow's turn, boy. Mr. Marlow. No, you're wiggling, Marlow. Marlow, you've wiggled out of all proportions. Marlow, you've wiggled out of all proportions. You want your belly done? Whoa, roly poly, roly poly, roly poly. Good boy. Don't you touch him, Tiger. If you touch him, Tiger, you're gonna die a slow, horrible death. He's moved again. Oh, sorry. Did I get you in the nose, boy? Oh, you like that? Whoa, whoa. Oh, Dad, Dad, Dad. Oh, oh, Dad, Dad, Dad. Rubber. Rubber, rubber. He's got a rubber fetish. Ha ha. Ha ha. Marley bug. We'll do this for the rough bits, boy. Okay? And then I'll comb you. Then I'll comb you. Okay? What do you say? What do you say, mister? I think you like it, boy. Marlow bug, Marlow bug, Marlow, Marlow, Marlow bug, Marlow bug, Marlow bug, Marlow, Marlow, oh Marlow, oh Marlow bug. Come on, baby, come on. There's a boy, there's a boy. Oh, he's on the march. He's on the march. Come on, boy, come and sit here. Marlow. Good boy. Good boy. There's a good boy. It's Mr. Two Breakfasts. Marlow Two Breakfasts. So let's have a little look and see if we can do this with a comb now. Oh, how does that feel? How does that feel, Marlow? Is it very lovely? You made me bleed, Marlow. You made me bleed. You've got the biggest claws in the world, boy. Yes, you have. The biggest claws in the whole wide world. The whole wide Marlow world. There we go. Are you getting upset? Or are you just feisty? Are you just feisty? Looky. Looky. Let's get these bits. Let's get these bits. Is that nice? Marlow. Marlow. I think you like it, boy. But no scratch your face, though. No, 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 no scratching of face, lad. Ha ha ha. I think we have a little Marlow here who likes being combed. Look at this. Look at this, Marlow. Ears. Ears done. Ears done. There, boy. There, boy. It's alright. It's alright. I won't touch the back end. The back end is yours. Okay? Marlow. Marlow. The back end's yours, Marlow. I don't want the back end. You can keep it. You can keep it. I've seen what that back end does, boy. It's a secret weapon. I think you're a Martian, Marlow. That's why we call you Marshmallow. Or Bob. Bob Marlow. We're jamming, 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 jamming. We're jamming. You're losing your fun, lad. Looky, looky, looky. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy, Marlo. I want to wash your face, but you hate it, so I'll leave that to your mum. I'll leave that to Tina. She's the face washing monster. It's okay. I got it. I got it. I got this bit too. Look, look, looky. Looky, see this bit? Yes, I know you've been scratching. See if you scratch again. If you scratch again, I'm going to have to marmalise you. I'm going to have to marmalise you, boy. You're going to have some more. You're going to have some lunch. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime, mister. Let me get this bit because it's minging. With a capital Ming. Looky. Looky, you're minging. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. Mingy, mingy, Marlo, mingy, mingy, Marlo. Ming, 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 ming. Mingy, mingy, Marlo, mingy, mingy, Marlo. How's that feel, lad? I know you're tender at the back end. I know, I know. You have told me this before. You've told me before. There we go. That's a little bit better, Marlo. Oh, no scratch, no scratch. Scratch the comb, scratch the brush. That's enough. Looky, what are you scratching for? We're trying to prevent this scratching monster. Where are you going? Don't even think about it, boy. That's it. You just lay there. Marlo. 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 Take me. Take your mind off your ears, lad. Good boy. Good boy. I won't touch those bits. I promises. I promises. Fed up now? Fed up now? Okie dokie. Okay, I'll leave you alone. There's another big scruff bag. Felix. Felix the monster. Oh, I'm too old for rolling on the floor, boy. Marlo. Marlo. Washing machine stop now, Marlo. Look at this fur. Let's see what you think of this brush, Marlo. Marlo. How's this one? It's a bit tougher, this brush. It's a bit tougher, this brush, Marlo. It's smaller. More fur. More fur for my collection. I'm going to make a fur coat, a Marlow fur coat. I'm going to make a fur coat, a Marlow fur coat. You're a good lad, Marlow. Except when you go missing. Well, that's not your fault, is it, pal? Is it, Marlow? No, siree. I think that's enough. You're getting too excited, Marlow. You're getting too excited, big boy.